hope you guys are doing well today. It is a brand new day and the day has finally arrived for our autumn celebration. But first I had to go make a quick Starbucks run and get me my first pumpkin latte of the season, and I'm a little late to the game, but I finally have my latte and it's delicious as always. But yeah, today's going to be a very busy day because we are hosting, like I mentioned, our autumn celebration, and I have to tidy up the home a little bit, and then I'm going to be decorating the home, cooking dinner, and then receiving all our family and friends. I will be having an open chili bar, and it's just a big delicious pot of homemade chili, and then I'll have all the trimmings: sour cream, chips, green onions, red onions, shredded cheese, and everybody can doctor it up the way they like. And then we're gonna have a lot of like fall treats, chips, dips, a lot of snacks that everybody can just enjoy. And then we're gonna be doing a s'mores station later on this evening, pumpkin carvings, listening to music, and just truly enjoying the season. So I'm excited about today. We have a lot to do, and of course, I'm taking you guys with me, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So I'm gonna finish off my latte and then I need to get moving. Okay guys, I look a hot mess, but I have to clean. So the first thing I'm gonna do is clean this dining table and get it kind of ready, polish it and stuff. And I bought a couple little like pumpkin confettis to throw on the runner. So I'm gonna do that now so we can get the table knocked out of the way and checked off our list. Alright guys, I'm tired. I have been cleaning, running around, but I need a coffee break. This is still my Starbucks from early in the morning. I don't know why it takes me hours on end to finish a cup of coffee, because I'm reheating it like 10 times throughout my mornings. But I'm taking a little break and then back to tidying up and prepping the home. Cheers! Aw, look how cute the hubby. He's out on window duty. And look what he does. I love you. You're so cute. Okay guys, here is the finished product. I had to do 2 pots because it was too much chili and it was overflowing, but here is our big delicious pot of chili. And we're gonna have toppings: green onions, red onions, shredded cheese, sour cream. We're gonna have corn chips. So here is our homemade chili from scratch. Now it's party time. So I am gonna go get and change shirts and then freshen up a little bit and then have some fun and enjoy the fall celebration that we're doing. Okay, I had to sneak inside my bedroom because we're about to wish someone a happy birthday. Their birthday isn't till Halloween, but I know that she has plans, so I wanted to go ahead and take a moment today and celebrate her, make her feel special, and I can't wait. So we're about to go surprise her. She has no idea, no clue what we're doing. So I'm hoping it all goes well and she loves her little birthday surprise. This is a secret operation. We're sneaking and lighting these candles.
Yellow in the sun, longing to be seen. So come and hide with me, hide with me, hide with me. Come and hide with me, hide with me, hide with me. Stars are bright, they call you up just to hear your voice on the machine. Nothing will be like it was, but you will always be my first choice, just as it seems. So I left the house broken. I walked this dirty streets for years. I left it all to see you, to wipe my holy tears. Hide with me, hide with me, hide with me. Come and hide with me,
Mira qué cosa más
hide with
linda.
me,
Masha,
hide
ven,
with
mamá.
me.
Oh my
Sun's
God.
up,
En my otro
clouds are
cushi más bello
gone,
de
but
su
I'm still
mamá.
here with wounds on my feet. Where will you be? If I left the house broken, I walked this dirty streets for years.
This is first place prize. This pumpkin here.
Wipe away your tears.
All right, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with us today. I am in absolute heaven right now, hanging out with my family, my friends, creating memories. Gosh, this night was amazing and it couldn't have gone any more perfect than what it did. So again, thank you so much for giving me all the support that you have. I cannot wait to see you guys on the next video. So on that note, good night and have a wonderful weekend. Bye, guys.
Memories, the Polaroids.